If you want to recover deleted files on iPhone 16e, then first of all we need to go to the Files app. In my case, I had to tap on Browse in the bottom right corner. But for example, if you are in the iCloud drive or something, then you can also tap Browse in the top left corner. So once you have this view here with the list of locations and tags, then in locations you should be able to find recently deleted, and you can go over here, and then we can find all files that we have deleted in the last 30 days, I believe. So all deleted files stay here for 30 days until they are gone forever. And what you can do is you can, for example, press and hold your finger on the file that you wish to recover, and then we have the recover option here. So you can do that with every file that you wish to do so. Or you can tap on these three dots in the top right corner and choose select in order to select multiple items that you wish to recover at once. And then at the bottom we have the recover option. And once you confirm, then you will restore deleted files. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!